Click on the link below to get price. The Sophia William 6-burner propane gas barbecue grill with side burner is a versatile addition to outdoor cooking setups, designed to accommodate both casual grillers and those looking to host larger gatherings. This grill combines functionality with a spacious cooking area, making it a noteworthy option for anyone who enjoys barbecuing. At first glance, the grill presents an impressive structure, featuring 6 main burners and an additional side burner. This configuration allows for a substantial amount of cooking space, which can comfortably handle multiple dishes at once. The stainless steel design not only contributes to the overall durability but also adds a sleek aesthetic that can enhance any patio or backyard setting. One of the standout features of the Sophia William grill is its powerful 6-burner system. Each burner is designed to deliver consistent heat, enabling users to achieve precise cooking temperatures suited for various types of food, from burgers to steaks to vegetables. The side burner offers even more versatility, allowing for the preparation of side dishes or sauces while the main cooking area is in use. In terms of usability, the grill is equipped with an electronic ignition system, which simplifies the starting process. Once lit, the burners can be adjusted with ease, providing users with the ability to create zones of varying heat. This feature is particularly useful for cooking different items simultaneously, giving you the opportunity to experiment with various grilling techniques. Maintenance is an essential aspect of any grilling experience, and the Sophia William grill acknowledges this with its removable grease tray and easy-to-clean cooking grates. These features help to streamline the post-cooking cleanup process, making it less of a chore and more of a convenient experience. As with any outdoor grill, safety should always be a priority. The grill is designed with sturdy wheels for mobility, allowing it to be easily relocated as needed. It also features a solid construction that can withstand outdoor elements, ensuring longevity with proper care. In conclusion, the Sophia William 6-burner propane gas barbecue grill with side burner is a practical choice for those seeking a reliable and spacious outdoor cooking device. With its combination of powerful burners, user-friendly features, and ease of maintenance, it stands out as a solid option for both novice and experienced grillers alike.